Am I going to resent him for spending all of that money and now having arguments about where that money went and how we're going to make it up?
Ramos Law Group. Choose the firm that chooses you.
Can spending a lot of money on your wedding equate to getting a divorce in Texas? I don't know, but I know if the first thing you do as a couple is go and have a big, expensive, stressful debut as a couple, then I don't know if I've now put myself in debt or both of us in debt, or whether or not I just spent all of my nest egg money that was my security and safety. Now I have to deal with whether or not we're going to get along, or is the other spouse going to resent me for that? Am I going to resent him for spending all of that money and now having arguments about where that money went and how we're going to make it up? You shouldn't have to start a new relationship worrying about the debt that was created from an actual wedding. Put yourself at ease. You make the decisions that you feel is necessary, but you probably should discuss those issues with a family law attorney in your area to determine whether or not that was a gift in the making that you didn't know. It actually helped clear off some issues that you would have had later on down the road in a more committed relationship after you have a couple of kids, maybe after there's a mortgage and a car note and you're financially strapped to the same information. These are usually telltale signs that there's something amiss. If we can catch it earlier in the relationship, you can either try and fix it or have better communication between the two of you and work on those things, or you're just going to know that he is not going to be ready or willing to make those changes, and this is probably something I need to go ahead and consider moving on from.